Hi everyone, I'm Keith Tharkenberg Farms, and this is the Market Gardening Farm School. So earlier this year, I was on YouTube trying to find some information on, I believe it was building raspberry trellises. And all I kept finding was just bad information out there from nothing but YouTube farmers that are more interested in clicks than they're actually teaching people how to grow food, produce, and actually sustain a farm. So that's where I came through with the idea to create the Market Gardening Farm School. Very simple set of courses. We explain step by step how things are done on our farm to specifically help you build your farm. Now, you all know me as Farmer Keith through YouTube. I've been building videos on there for about the past 4 to 5 years now. There's over 250 videos of different content of building stuff, sustaining your farm, and just in general doing things on a market garden of any type of scale in general. Now, about 10 years ago is when I took over this plot of family land here. It was originally nothing but a Monsanto corn and soybean field, and over the past 8 seasons as a successful market gardener, we have built it into what you see around me today. This is the background for my clips, but more importantly, this is the business we run. We run a successful market garden that sells produce to our local community through CSA, online, and farmers markets, and we just love doing it. And that's where the passion comes from, to get the information out there and teach people really how to do this successfully. Now, the Market Gardening Farm School will be set up in a piecemeal type option, with also the option to buy the whole entire thing when we have enough content to make that relevant. But the idea behind this is you can buy what you want, when you want, and learn step by step of how to do the things we do on our farm. Now, we are actually a 6B zone farm, Northeast Kansas, and we see all of the weather conditions throughout the country, from very cold winters to snow to very hot and humid summers, which make it difficult for a lot of people to grow things through the year. For instance, we grow leaf lettuce all year round, and that is because of the techniques we've learned and implement on this farm, and those are the types of things I want to specifically teach, along with everything else in the process, from ordering your seed to planting your farm to selling it to the consumer later. Those are the important things you need to know to have a successful farm and a successful business. My whole goal with this project is to keep it affordable. So the way this is going to work is you head over to arkenbergfarms.com, scroll down the bottom, there's Market Gardening Farm School, the digital tools and training. Select a specific module you would like to learn about. Then you'll be prompted to download a PDF document after your purchase. This PDF document will contain links to private videos that are only available to people that actually purchase the module on the course. Please only share these with your farm, not generally out on the internet. Now, each module will come with a set of videos specific to that module. As I said, the step-by-step processes on what we do on our farm, as well as bonus content as well. We have a lot of spreadsheets, guides, other things on the digital tools and training as well. That'll be included with it for free. So a lot of times if you purchase a module, it's the same price as purchasing the individual spreadsheets and information alone as well. On top of that, I'll also put in links to specific videos that we have put out in the past, so you don't have to sort through the 400 some odd videos I have out there to find specific things about that process. That's my goal. I'd like to keep it this way as much as possible. Once we get bigger, we might transition over to a new format, but don't worry, you'll be able to transition as well, and you'll have lifetime access to all of this stuff as long as YouTube still exists. The one very important thing is to put in a valid email address when you're actually purchasing the modules. Doesn't matter if you subscribe to the email list or not, but when I update, which I do continuously, whether I didn't like what I shot, I'm adding more stuff to the module, any of those situations, you will be emailed an updated document to allow you access to the new content that way. That's the easiest, simplest way that I can do this. and not have to just spam email everybody all the time. I don't do that. I don't quite literally have the time to do that. So remember, a valid email address is very, very important to keep updated on the content you purchased, to be able to explore it more and have it built on in the future. The final thing I'd like to announce today is that I am now going to be starting a new section of my YouTube channel. I don't know if I'm gonna do it through shorts or long-term video yet, just kind of depends on how it works, but we're going to do an Ask Farmer Keith segment. Very simple. There'll be links in all my videos. You go on there, you upload a video with some kind of question you have about your farm, and I will go along and actually explain how to actually answer the question, solve the problem, address the issues you have. I think it'll be really fun. I can't wait to start doing it. So be sure, submit your questions with a video. We will use part of the video, so just be aware of that. But more, it's going to be about answering the question and getting the best information specific to people out there. And as always, hope you all like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, head over to Arkenberg Farms, Martin Gardening Farm School, digital tools and training, all the cool stuff. ArkenbergFarms.com, scroll down the bottom. It's all down there. We got our site openers there, custom jang rollers, bunch of digital spreadsheets and downloads, and the Market Gardening Farm School. So, thank y'all. Have a good day.